Today I am here to present my elevator pitch about London City. I am Maheshika Madhuvanti Gamage. This is my content, introduction of strategic issues, London post-Brexit, strategic advantages and key strategic actions and key obstacles and the references. This is in my next slide, this is the introduction of London. London is the capital and largest city of both England and the United Kingdom, with a population of 8,945,309 and as one of the world's major global cities, London exerts a strong influence on world art, entertainment, fashion, commerce, finance, education, healthcare, media, science and technology, and tourism. Turning to my next slide, strategic issues of London post-Brexit. Loss of overseas students coming across EU, retaining skilled talented workforce, and finally leaves European single. And in my next slide, I am talking about the strategic advantages which London has compared with other cities in the UK. Global economic center with strong service sector and cultural hub and center for education, and finally powerful and talented workforce. Turning to next slide, this is the key strategic actions to secure London's future. Focus on increasing number of students from non-EU countries and reduce unemployment rates in London. And finally, trade agreements, negotiations with other powerful countries. This is the key obstacles which might be encountered. Restrictions on foreign students, rules and regulations for visa processes, language and cultural barriers of other countries, and high childcare cost for the women which have children, and finally needs to align which expensive to system with role of economies of other countries. Thank you.